What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Yeti video vlogs and
Yo, it's me, the Yeti. You probably know me as that big fuzzy dude who chills in the mountains. But today I'm diving into something wild.
we're going to see that it's super simple. So I'm going to use ChatGPT and I wrote this prompt. Give me a prompt for video 3 in which Yeti is talking about an AI course in a self-style. Then what I'm going to do is that this answer I'm going to copy that and then going to paste it in Flow. So Flow is the software that you can use to generate these kind of videos. And basically we just need to paste it here and then click here. So one important thing here is that you need to go to settings in case you want, like for example 2 videos or 1 video or 4 videos. You need to choose here the number. And another thing is that I usually choose video 3 fast. And so let me show you. This is the video that
Start your AI
video 3
journey
created.
today. Start your AI journey today.
And here I have these 2 options, so I can like choose whatever I want. And another important thing is that video 3 is going to give you like 6 seconds video. And if you want to, like for example, create a video with more length, you need to like click here where it says add to a scene and then add more scenes and then download the video. Check this out. I have been like experimenting with this software.
It's a roadmap from total beginner to building your own AI clone.
And basically you can utilize this software, like for example create any kind of videos to promote. Like for example, if you are doing affiliate marketing, you can create like a good story and then upload the video in the, for example, in the social media that you are using to promote your affiliate product. So that's it for this video guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon. Bye.